Hey, you help me weld this handle. Boss, no kidding please. I've never learned welding before. So you do the welding? I don't know how to weld. You do the welding. Don't look at me. Neither do I know how to weld. A person must be trained before he performs this welding work. No training is required. What I need is a welding machine only. Then, I can perform the welding myself. Don't do that. Do you know what is contained inside the drum? Diesel, but all the diesel has been pumped away. Let's have lunch. It would be better to leave this job to welders. Go away. I don't care. I will finish well before they come.
What a coincidence. What are you talking about?
My boss wants to make a rubbish bin by himself. He is going to weld a handle on a diesel drum.
Are you sure? Does he beware of safety? Welding should be conducted by a trained and experienced worker. Safety measures should be taken as well. Although the diesel has been pumped away from the drum, there are still traces of residual diesel left in the drum. Intense heat would be generated when the welding is performed. The heat would vaporize the flammable liquid residue in the drum, forming a flammable and explosive atmosphere. Once the flammable vapor is further heated up, it will burn and explode.
Are you saying that an accident is going to happen?
Yes, of course. Go and stop him quickly.
Stop welding. It's dangerous.
Before performing any welding operation, a risk assessment should be carried out and appropriate safety precautions should be established and implemented. Any metal drum that has been used to contain flammable substances should be thoroughly cleansed before carrying out any work likely to generate heat. Proper protective clothing should be worn while conducting welding work. Adequate ventilation should be provided at the working area. Like me, a person must have been trained, have attained the relevant qualifications, and have gained adequate experience before he is allowed to perform welding at work.